Stage Manager is a useful feature on Mac. This feature can be used to organize your Mac screen. For example, Stage Manager is enabled on my Mac right now, and it organizes all the windows that I have minimized on the left side. Like see, I have this app on my Mac, and if I minimize it, it goes to the left side. You can enable Stage Manager from the Control Center. See, if I click on Control Center option, here is the Stage Manager. You can enable or disable it from here. But what if the Stage Manager goes missing from the Control Center? Well, there are many users who have faced the similar issue. If you cannot find Stage Manager in Control Center on macOS 15, then here are all the ways by which you can fix this issue. Step 1. Change Mission Control settings. First of all, open System Settings. Now on the left side, click on Desktop and Dock. Now scroll down to the bottom. Now enable this toggle which says Displays have separate spaces. After this, close System Settings. Now click on this Apple logo. After this, click on Restart. Click on Restart again. This will restart your Mac and the issue will be fixed now. In case the issue is still not fixed, then we do have one more solution that you can try. Step 2. Update your Mac. For this, head over to System Settings. Now click on General option. After this, click on Software Update. Now this will check for updates. Now install all the updates that are available, and this should fix the issue.